Hi guys, welcome again on this channel. My name is Muturayo, and in this video I'd like to share with you how to make hair scrunchies. I'm going to be making these hair scrunchies with this silk material, and trust me, these are things that you can just do with your scrap fabric and you're going to really enjoy it. It's also super easy. Let's get into it. You want to measure your fabric, measuring 16 inches by 7 inches, just like you see me do, and you want to take it to the sewing machine and sew this part together. You want to put them together like this, right sides facing each other, and then with a straight seam sew this part like this. Alright, so we're going to be joining this together with a straight seam. Like I said, these projects are things that you can just do with your leftover fabrics, and seriously, you can just use them as maybe a gift or something. It's just super quick and easy, and the result is just always lovely. So you go ahead to give this a good press now, and just like you see me do, you press this place open, and the next thing you're going to do is pick this outer part just as you see me, and then you sew this part together, ensuring that that part goes inside and is not in the way of your seams. Continue sewing just like this, and you pull along the way. You keep pulling the one inside just like that. So the machine was acting up and I had to just switch to this sewing machine. So I think it's clearer now. Pick this part. The two seams must match, and then you start sewing from that outer part. Ensure that the one that you kept inside stays inside and is not in the way of your seam. So you keep doing this and you keep sewing until you get to almost the end, leaving like 1 inch space just for you to turn the fabric that you have sewn inside out. Just keep watching what I'm doing. I'm sure you're going to get it. Like I said, this is super easy. So leave 1 inch space just here, just enough for you to turn this outside. So you're going to be pulling out all that you're having now. Trust me, this is not something so difficult. You just have to keep pulling and pulling until you are able to get all the fabrics out. So you just go ahead to secure this part, but before you do, get an elastic measuring 7 inches, or you can just use your wrist to measure. Whatever measurement you have is just fine. So with a safety pin, you are going to be getting this elastic into this right now through this same opening. So that's the reason why we didn't close it yet. We get the elastic into it. You want to go ahead and use another pin to secure this elastic outside, so that you will not just keep moving and moving and moving and then the elastic will also not get lost in the way. So you can hold it like I did now, or you can just pin it to the fabric while you run the other part through it. So you're going to be getting the other part outside soon, and then you can go ahead and then stitch the elastic together. You can use a zigzag stitch, or you can do a straight stitches. You can put them together and join it just like this, or you can also put them on top of each other and join it just like this. Alright, so before the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make these same scrunchies with 2 fabrics together. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I think it's the right time to do so. And if you are just new on this channel, you're just seeing this for the first time, I can assure you are going to learn a thing or two. Give this video a thumbs up so that it could reach more people, and I can also be encouraged to keep doing what I'm doing. After securing it, you can see our hair scrunchies is already coming up. The next thing we want to do is close this opening. We want to secure that part together. You can actually use hand stitches, or you can take it to your sewing machine and also do just a little stitches on that part. So here we have it. Just look at it. Isn't this beautiful already? Wow. And isn't this super easy? This is so beautiful and super easy. Wow. Alright, so now let's get the two fabrics that we need for the next one. I have here a mercury fabric and organza fabric, both measuring 16 inches by 7 inches. You can actually increase this measurement if you want your scrunchies to be bigger than mine. Okay, so we are going to be joining these two parts together just as you have seen me done, and I've also given it a good press. But just before we join the sides, I thought of adding some bead and pearls to this, so I'll just go ahead now and add the beads and the pearls just before we continue. Okay, so I've added these pins and I'm already attaching the pearls to it. As you can see, if you would like a video on how to do this, attach pearls to fabric, let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to do it for you. I just need to make this video a little fast at this point so that it will not be too long and I won't have to bore you, you know. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up at this point so that it can reach more people. And also, if you get value for your time, like and share this video to your friends that would also need it, and let us continue to enjoy ourselves in this process. Okay, so I've been attaching these blue pearls now, and I'm really thinking that I may need to attach another contrast color at this point, just so everything can come out much more beautiful. I'm going to be filling this with pearls to my desired taste, so you can also do yours. Just fill it until you are satisfied with what you have. You can actually unstitch this if you don't have a grommet machine to do this the same way. You will still get the same result. You can attach your beads to it by unstitching them. You will still get the same result. You can add rivets to this. There's no limit to what you can do. You just have to get creative and do something beautiful that you will love. So the pink beads, adding the pink bead to it is really making it looking much more beautiful. And look at it, I think I really like it better with the pink bead. So the next thing we want to do is go through the same process and put that part in and sew this just like this, ensuring that those two joints meet. We pull just along the way as we sew, just as we did for the first one. Like I said, I just had to make this video faster because I don't want the video to be too long. Alright, so don't forget to leave the 1-inch opening where you need to turn the fabric inside out. So you want to trim off all of these frills so that you can just get it out neatly. Alright, so I have less here, so I just need to open this part up a little bit so that I can get the fabric inside out. So here we've been able to turn it out. Let's get our 7 inches elastic and pass it through this. We want to secure the elastic on one end just so that we do not lose it on the way. So we keep passing this through until we see it on the other side. Okay, so here it is, and oh, I lost that on the way. Alright, so here it is, and I've been able to get it out now. We're going to be pulling the elastic together and then we stitch together. So after stitching it now, you're just going to see how beautiful this hair scrunchies is going to come out. If you've gotten value for your time, please give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach more people. Like and share, and I would like to hear your comments on this particular one. So the last thing we want to do is just stitch up that little opening, and that's it. Our hair scrunchies is ready. I hope you try this out. Don't just allow your scrap fabrics to lie there wasting. Wow, look at this. This is really beautiful. Let me hear your comments about this. Let me know what you think. Wow, look at it. Thanks for watching this video again, guys. I would see you in my next video. Bye.